I don't have the time. I don't have the money. I don't have the resources. Does that sound familiar? There's always going to be an excuse that you give yourself before starting something that's actually going to change your life. I don't have the money. There's always ways to get money. There's 0% interest credit cards. There's bank loans. Leverage money. That's what the wealthy people do. Leverage money so you could build wealth and assets. I don't have the time. Come on. We know that's bullshit. You always have time. Set your priorities straight. You're always gonna have time for important things that are going to change your life. Whether it's starting a business, working out, eating healthy, you have to have time for the things that are going to benefit you and change your life. Audit your time and spend time on the things that are important to you, that are going to change your life. And stop spending your time doing the BS shit that's not gonna benefit you in the long term. I don't have the resources. Guys, the resources are out there. You just have to be willing to take action. Stop feeding yourself a bunch of excuses and a bunch of bullshit. Because you know, and I know, I don't have money, I don't have the time, I don't have the resources. Those are just excuses. You need to get out of your comfort zone. Go find the money. Go find the time. Go find the resources. Start taking action. You have one life to live. Make it happen. Let's fucking go, baby!